Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. We're going to be doing a techno analysis and a price prediction of Litecoin, and we're going to pick up where we left off in the previous Litecoin video, where I had said within this ABC corrected wave, we hopefully will be seeing the price of Litecoin hitting that Fibonacci level, and if we're lucky, go over it. Well, we were right on the money with that. So let me just move this a little bit, because we corrected all the way up here, and then possibly we might be actually still pumping. We'll have to see how things do work out here on this 4-hour chart. So let's just dive into this techno analysis, look at our price prediction, and go through some current news about what's going on with Litecoin. So as we get to it, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm, help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now let's get to it. So looking at CoinMarketCap, looking at Litecoin, the 21st largest cryptocurrency by market cap right now, it's up more than 15.5% over these last 7 days. It's really catching up to Ethereum Classic as far as market cap goes. Ethereum Classic, the 20th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. There's just a little bit now in between Ethereum Classic and Litecoin. Litecoin is really catching up. And you guys know that I'm very bullish on Ethereum Classic, and now I'm recently just buying back into Litecoin as well. And Litecoin's one that my dad actually likes to invest into. So this is one that I am now enjoying to talk about. It's a newer one here that I am giving updates on. So we're definitely now seeing a bit of a bull cycle with Litecoin and some of the other altcoins as well. So this is, really exciting when you start seeing these altcoins differ away from what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. So it's nice seeing that Litecoin is starting to also, just like how Cardano is right now at the moment, moving away from what the other larger cryptocurrencies are doing. So panning back here and looking at these Fibonacci levels, looking at this low that we had seen, our 52-week low that we had reached on around June 13th, where we had seen the price of Litecoin at around $40. Now, this rally went up pretty significantly, that by August 13th, we had seen the price of Litecoin reaching a price of around $66. So we had seen the price of Litecoin correct to that 50% level, quick 50% correction within the price of Litecoin. And now we're within that top Fibonacci level, trying to completely retrace all those losses. This is nice. This is amazing to see, and hopefully we'll see more cryptocurrencies following with what is going on with Litecoin. So what's going on right now? Seeing these current pumps here on the 4-hour chart, it's going to be really awesome to see if we can see this current momentum that we're seeing right now continue, and we end up adjusting where that C wave is, and possibly see that work its way all the way back up to that $66 price. That's a possibility of what we could be seeing. Now, I haven't done a real big price prediction yet for Litecoin, so I want to do that and look at a price that we might be able to see Litecoin go to by the end of September or early October. So looking at how we're really recovering from where we had seen that big drop off in the price of Litecoin, and at the same time, we had seen a lot of the other cryptocurrencies also drop off big at this time in June, as well as, of course, we saw that also happen back in May. But we're really working on recovering those losses that we had seen throughout June, where we were really holding on to a really nice support at around this level. So let's just think about where could we possibly be going if we can end up completely retracing even prior losses to that and continue pumping the price of Litecoin even more. There might even be a possibility of seeing the price of Litecoin going to around $90. I don't want to over predict, so I don't want to say let's see it go to $100, but let's say, hey, maybe if we continue to see these price movements where we see the price of Litecoin going from from $50 to $66 or below $50, $66, then just over a short period like that, then there's that possibility that we could see Litecoin pump from, say, $66 into $90. So we'll make that like a very absolute bullish price prediction. That's not like that's not the possibly for sure is going to go to. None of this is for sure because it's too volatile to be sure. Crypto's too unpredictable. So not financial advice, my own opinions here. So let's just go with this bullish idea though, that we could be seeing the price of Litecoin possibly going to a price as high as around $91, just to give it an easy estimate, between $91 and $79. Let's go with that by the end of September into the beginning of October. Now, our best case though is just to really go with more of a neutral price prediction. So let's also throw in a neutral price prediction. So I would say that we'll probably be seeing more likely to happen is that we would see the price of Litecoin retracing, of course, those amounts and possibly be breaking through that top Fibonacci level. But at the same time, if it was just to continue to trade sideways from where it's at right now, then I would say that's a good neutral possibility to see the price of Litecoin doing. So let's just go with that's going to be the case. And then we'll go with our bearish price prediction and say that there's that possibility that we could be seeing Litecoin falling below that 50% Fibonacci level and then just completely wiping out any sort of gain that it had. And we'll just go with our absolute bearish price prediction with that. So I think that this is going to be very difficult to succeed with, to see Litecoin do that. But I mean, that would be pretty awesome if that was the case. I mean, if we were to pump, just looking at how things are going right now at this moment, sorry, trying to line things up here. If we were to just pump from here all the way to here, I mean, that looks pretty insane, but at the same time, it's not too far-fetched given how quickly we can see it pumping up. But I mean, that's of course the absolute bullish possibility. I mean, highly likely that more than likely we're going to continue to see it, say, trade sideways from where we're at and then go into that neutral price prediction, and that will cover us within this top Fibonacci level and the Fibonacci level that is below this one that we're in right now. And then of course I just have to make more of a bearish price prediction, being that anything around that 50% Fibonacci level and below, because that's just retracing everything that we just succeeded on and just seeing that fall down to these more absolute bearish prices that we had seen, that, going closer to that 52-week low. That's something that we don't want to do. So anyways, we'll just keep this here. We'll keep this locked in, cross our fingers that we do succeed. It would be awesome if we could even, break above that absolute bullish price prediction. But it's always good to have a neutral in there and something that you could be happy with of seeing it go to. So just a reminder, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is only my thoughts and opinions. And I'm more so speaking to people that are invested into Litecoin, because this is the audience, the crypto audience is who I am talking to. So I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about this. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I will see you all in the next one coming very soon.